How to create a WhatsApp channel. In this video we will show you how to create a WhatsApp channel to share updates and connect with your followers directly through WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your phone, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Go to the Updates tab. Tap the plus sign. Select Create Channel. If it's not available for you, please go Play Store and update your WhatsApp. Tap Continue. Add a channel name. You will be able to change your channel name at any time in the future. Add a channel description. Write a few words to help followers understand what your channel is about. Add a channel icon. You can select any desired photo from your device. Finally, tap Create Channel. You're done. Now that you're all set up with a channel, to share your channel with others, navigate to the channel info page and copy the link associated with your channel. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.